Hello students, today we are going to solve problem number 20. Question is written as the ratio of the stiffness of a beam at the near end when the far end is hinged to the stiffness of the beam at the near end when the far end is fixed. Now we need to determine the ratio of stiffness when the far end is hinged to the stiffness when the far end is fixed. Now from the previous lecture we get a concept that when the far end is hinged, the stiffness of that member will be equals to 3 EI by L. Okay. And when the far end is fixed, the stiffness of that member will be equals to 4 EI by L. Now we need to determine the ratio of the stiffness of a beam when the far end is hinged to the stiffness of the beam when the far end is fixed. So the required ratio will be equals to stiffness of the beam when the far end is hinged, which will be equals to 3 EI by L. Similarly, stiffness of the beam when the far end is fixed, that is 4 EI by L. Now this EI by L and this EI by L cancel out and the required ratio will be equals to 3 by 4. That is all about this numerical. We had determined the required ratio as 3 by 4. Thank you very much, students.